All right, guys, this is the Bosch 18-volt brushless 2-in-1 bit and socket impact driver. Now, this thing is a great tool, has a ton of features to it. Now, probably one of the nicest features it has is the ability to go from a 1/4-inch bit to a 1/2-inch socket. Now, one of the nice features it has is the ability to go from a 1/4-inch hex bit to a 1/2-inch socket without needing any adapters. So if we have a 1/2-inch socket like this here, simply goes on top like that. And we can use that there. Or we can just take one of our standard hex bits here, pull this out, and it'll slide right in, and now it's locked in place. Now, another thing you got down here is a speed control. We have 3 speed settings, first, second, and third. Now, if we're in our first gear here, we have a max speed of 1100 RPMs, 2200 RPMs on the impact rate, and 1150 inch-pounds of torque. If we're in the second gear, 2300 RPMs, 3100 RPMs of impact rate, and 1420 inch-pounds of torque. And third gear, 3400 RPMs speed-wise, 4100 RPMs impact rate, and 1860 inch-pounds of torque. So very powerful drill, and honestly, the ability to change speeds on an impact driver is super nice. Now, it has 2 modes, mode A and mode B. Mode A is going to be for your self-tapping metal screws, and mode B is going to be for your wood screws. Mode A has a slow down feature. So once the screw is in, it will begin to slow down and it won't actually tighten it as much. It'll slow down the actual impact. Whereas mode B, you have an auto stop feature, which means that once it's in mode B, it will actually stop once the screw is all the way in, and it won't tighten it any longer. Now, mode B actually has the auto stop, which I actually like a little bit better when I'm using sheet metal screws, because I don't want to over tighten them. I don't want to strip them out. I just want them to stop. And I would prefer this thing stop immediately once they tighten down. But again, that's a preference thing, I think. You also have a light down here, so as soon as you pull that trigger, the work light will come on. It's variable speed, so the harder you pull that trigger, the more RPMs you're gonna use. Again, forward and reverse on the side here, and of course in the middle, locks it out. Honestly, this is just a really great tool for an impact driver to have 3 different speeds and a nice variable speed trigger and a couple different modes. There's just a ton of options on this thing. Very powerful. Again, great impact driver. And to be able to go from sockets to actually hex bits without needing an adapter is really great. So again, I really like this thing a lot.